You know, sometimes at the beginning of the week, it takes a little while to get back into gear.
And it helps to have something to look forward to. And for us, that thing is Mamma Mia Monday.
And of course, we're with Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Aroma, the DelmarvaLife Kitchen. How are you, sir?
Good. Good afternoon,
Hi.
guys. How are you? I had a great weekend.
Good.
Yourself?
Excellent. What magic are you performing?
So today, we're going to do, everybody has peppers, right?
Yeah.
We're going to stuff a pepper.
We're stuff a pepper.
Stuff a pepper, use it as an appetizer or a side dish. Whatever pepper, I brought a couple bell peppers here. Right. We're going to do a red pepper. And what you want to do is you want to keep the top. You take the core out like this.
Yeah.
Just like so. Get rid of this. And then you can do two things with this. You can fry it, or actually three things. You can fry it, bake it, or boil it.
All right.
And you want to get it down to what we have here. It's just a pepper that's been fried. And once it's fried, you can take the skin off of it very easily. See
Oh,
that?
wow. Yeah, okay.
It's easier to digest, and it's a lot softer. It's got a better taste without this skin. And,
Ah.
I didn't know that.
and people, a lot of people don't realize there's skin on pepper. See?
I didn't
I
either.
guess I didn't realize that either.
So this is a
All the time.
a
Things we've been missing.
roasted pepper, more or less.
Yeah,
What we're going to do
makes
is
sense.
we're going to put a little bit of, this is seasoned beef and sausage. There's some carrots in there. There's a little bit of celery, a little bit of onion, a little bit of tomato sauce. And this is just risotto I have. It's a vegetable risotto here. I'm going to add that to the bowl as well. And this is going to be your stuffing for the pepper here.
Okay. The stuff
The
of the
stuff-
stuffed pepper.
So you
Is it
just wanna-
tougher to stuff when it's fried?
It's unstuffed right now.
No, it's very easy. So all you want to do is add that. I got a little bit of sauce to give it a little bit of liquid there.
What kind of sauce is that?
That's
Just
my marinara sauce.
marinara,
yeah.
okay.
This is just seasoned breadcrumb. And then we're going to add some Romano cheese, a lot of Romano cheese. There we go. A lot of Romano cheese. Salt and pepper. Parsley.
parsley, I was gonna
yeah. I always put that together. Salt, pepper, parsley.
Salt, pepper, parsley.
So then we're just going to mix this up just like so. And all we do now is just take our pepper, and I put a little bit of mozzarella that we have here in the bottom of the pepper.
To hold it open.
It's a little harder to stuff
Well,
when it's cooked like
no,
that.
but watch
isn't it?
this. Once you have
Look at
that in there,
Look at
Okay.
him. Look at him.
Oh, it's like a little floor.
little-
How about that?
so that also absorbs any of the juice that comes out. All you want to do is press that down nice and pack it pretty hard there. And keep the top of your pepper, fry it or boil it or bake it with the other pepper.
I started saying, I noticed that you'd kept it,
And then what we're going to do is put a little bit of cheese on top like that.
right?
Put your pepper top back on like that. A little bit of cheese more on top. Oops.
Lisa, is it possible to have too much cheese?
Not at all.
No? Okay.
Never.
And then you're just going to put that right in the oven, which we'll do
Just like that.
Put it on a pan, and we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for about 15 minutes on 375. And you'll have a nice little appetizer or a side dish.
Okay. All right. Well, let's take a little break
put in
here.
the oven, put a
Put it in
break.
the oven. Wait for it to cook up, and then when we come back, we're going to taste it and talk about some Christmas stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
some exciting news.
Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back. Well, one of the most important aspects of cooking is, of course, presentation. And when you can use a major ingredient as your delivery system, the flavors meld together perfectly.
In case you couldn't guess, we're back in the DelmarvaLife Kitchen with Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Aroma for Mamma Mia Monday. And boy, that looks good.
Now, that could be a meal as well, right? Not
And-
just a side dish or an appetizer. It could be a whole meal.
Absolutely.
Because you have all the beef and the rice, and so it's got everything you
and
need.
it's-
And
it's
vegetable. It's a
Fest-
vegetable.
and
It's a vegetable,
festive.
right?
It's very festive.
It's very festive. It's nice in the holiday season. you know,
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
people over.
Your
So,
four major.
So how do you eat
okay,
this?
so there's two ways you can do it. You can just pick at it,
Just digging, okay, right?
or you can just cut it open. And this, if
Put
you
it
want
on
to
your
share, if you want to share this,
Right. Which is rare in the first place.
you could cut it like that and,
Yeah.
and serve it on two
Dish
plates.
it off on different too.
And you guys know what to do here, right?
Yeah. Kinda.
We
Sorta.
like to share. Okay, so tell me, you were all excited here a minute ago. What's
I am,
going
man.
on?
So I have some exciting news. We have my business partner and I, Chris, have acquired the building next door to us, and we're going to be doing a focacceria Italian market. So focacceria is a little bit more than a bakery and a little bit less than a deli. We'll have,
Oh, my.
But we're going to have all Italian canned stuff and fresh bread. I'll be doing fresh bakery bread, all Italian specialty stuff.
Well, you've got
Gelato
gelato excited
and,
then, huh?
Italian ice, yeah.
That's terrific. Congratulations.
So we're looking for that in the early spring.
Early spring.
spring.
Yep.
All right.
Also,
That was really good.
we're doing our gift card special at the restaurant, where you get an extra $20 for every 100. So if you spend $100 on the gift card, you get 120.
That's a great
It's
deal.
great. You could break that up into, you split that as well. So if anybody's looking for gift ideas last minute, which we're not last minute yet, but we will be sooner than you know it.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last thing you said.
You know,
You can
I
pick it
got
right at the
to
restaurant.
tell you something, Joe,
Yes,
and,
yes.
and Jimmy will back me up on this. I was telling everyone, it's like, I don't like stuffed peppers. I don't like stuffed
She
peppers.
said that. She said that.
I love
This is
This is pretty good. And you can, I mean, you see, it's got a lot of stuff in it, right?
Well, it has a lot of cheese in
It
it.
Yeah,
does.
a lot of cheese, yeah. It all
Sticking
goes
my
well
finger in it,
together.
I
It
know.
all goes well together.
And this is on your menu?
This will, I'll be putting it on the menu, I'm assuming now for the week, because we always get a lot of response from
I
DelmarvaLife.
think
so
you better, yeah.
we'll have it on the menu this week. Done.
Delicious.
This is amazing.
Come visit us right in Fruitland, right across from the food line on 13. Open Wednesday to Saturday.
And the name of the soon-to-be store next door?
Will be La Roma Focacceria Italian Market. Focacceria.
I'm
So
glad
I
someone
have
has
until
said that.
early spring to practice saying
Yeah.
that.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
All right. Joe from Joe's La Roma, thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Good man.
This
Thank
is
you.
excellent.
Appreciate it.
Wonderful.
Thank you.